In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Point and Figure. We'll start by opening a point and figure chart. Head to stockcharts.com in your browser. On the home page, look for the Charts and Tools section and select Point and Figure. In the symbol box that appears, type the ticker you want to analyze. Something like a well-known large-cap stock works fine. Then press Enter or click Go. This will open the Point and Figure chart workbench, where you'll see the classic columns of X's and O's. Remember, point and figure charts focus on price movement and filter out a lot of the day-to-day noise. Time isn't shown on a uniform scale, so what you're seeing is a clean picture of supply and demand shifts rather than time-based fluctuations. Next, let's customize scaling and reversal to match your preferences. On the workbench, you'll find the key options either above or below the chart. Start with the scaling method. You can choose traditional, percentage, dynamic, ATR, or user-defined. Traditional follows the classic approach, where box sizes change based on the price level according to established P&F conventions. Percentage ties each box to a fixed percent of price, which keeps the chart proportional across different price ranges. Dynamic, based on average true range, adapts to volatility so the chart becomes more or less sensitive as market conditions change. User-defined gives you full control if you know the exact box size you want. Now set the box size. This determines how much price must move to add a new X or O. For example, you might set $1 per box or 2% per box. Smaller box sizes capture more detail and shorter swings but can make the chart busier. Larger box sizes smooth the picture and highlight only the strongest moves. Then, adjust the reversal setting. This is the number of boxes price must move in the opposite direction to start a new column. 3 boxes is the classic default and a good starting point. Increasing the reversal number filters out more minor pullbacks and focuses on major reversals. Decreasing it will make the chart more sensitive. Once you've made your choices, click Update to redraw the chart with your new settings. If the chart looks cluttered, try increasing the box size or the reversal. If it feels too sparse, go smaller or use a more sensitive scaling method. That's it. Open the tool, enter your symbol, choose a scaling method, set your box size, pick a reversal, and hit Update. With just these adjustments, you can tailor a point and figure chart that clearly highlights the trend and key turning points.